Chairman, Professor Vinita sir, Honorable Observer, Suresh sir, Honorable Principal of this college, Dr. Dargar sir, my studies, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and my students. Today I am going to present the profile of Department of Botany. Before I start, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, from the Department of Botany. So this is the list of former heads of the department of this botany department. These are the objectives of the department: to create interest about botany among the students and train them in our subject, to make the students familiar with the flora of this region, to develop interest among the students for selecting plant science as a career, to make them aware about biodiversity conservation, and to promote the students for higher education and to develop research aptitude in them. So we offer two programs, sir. Since the inception of the department, we are offering BSc 3-year course, but recently during this current year, we have started MSc botany course 2 years program. This is the faculty profile. We have 7 teachers, including me. This is Dr. C.S. Swami, myself, Arne sir, who is NET qualified, Gurmi madam, MSc B.Ed, M.Phil, PhD, Kamble madam, Shude madam, MSc B.Ed, NET, Deshmukh madam, she is also PhD, and Chahalekar madam. This is the profile of our teachers. And for our support, we have non-teaching staff, 1 lab assistant and 3 attendants. Then the profile of the department in brief: we have 3 permanent, 2 non-grad and 2 PhD teachers. Total number of non-teaching staff: 1 lab assistant and 3 lab attendants. Total number of students in the current year, it is 471. Student teacher ratio is 67:1. We have 2 staff rooms and 3 laboratories. Central library is having books of botany, number is 9,480, and 5 journals of botany. Departmental library, we have own library having 170 books, more than 170 books, and 2 reputed journals. Then we have computer, printers, ICT facility, internet facility, etc. Charts, permanent slides, models, plant models, etc. Then about the infrastructure, as I have just mentioned, we have 1 staff room. We have 2 staff rooms, 1 store room, and 3 laboratories. This is the list of equipments. We have multiple number of compound microscopes, dissecting microscopes, then binocular research microscope, trinocular microscope, microtome machine, autoclave, oven, laminar airflow chamber, BOD incubators. These are in duplicate copies, 2 copies. Tilak air sampler, electronic balance, spectrophotometer, digital photoelectric colorimeter. All these equipments we have for lab purpose. Then financial budget, we have since last 5 years we were having budget of 30,000, but it has been increased in last year. It was made 44,000 by the management, and now we have, as we have started PG course, now we have budget of 75,000 per annum. About the faculty research activities, Dr. C.S. Swami, myself, I am recognized research supervisor of Nanded University. 1 student is working for PhD degree under my guidance, and recently he has submitted PhD thesis to the university. I am working as PhD referee of Dr. Bambu, Aurangabad. Then I have, in this particular tenure, I have 9 publications to my credit. Then Mr. S.K. Arne sir is working for PhD degree, and his research work is under progress. Dr. Gurme Madam obtained PhD degree in 2019 and she has having 13 publications in this tenure. Dr. Deshmukh Madam has 6 research publications and she is reviewer of International Journal of Applied Chemical and Biological Science. So we can see we have total 15 publications at international level and 17 publications at national level in this particular 5 years tenure.
The total number of publications 70 during this assessment period, right?
During this period.
During this assessment, 16
International level 15 and national level 17. During this last 5 years period. This is about the membership of science associations. I am the life member of Indian Phytopathology Society, New Delhi, life member of Indian Society of Mycology and Pathology, Udaipur, Rajasthan. So these 2 journals published by these societies are available in our department for use of teachers as well as students. Life member of Indian Science Congress Association, Kolkata, and Arnesen is life member of Indian Science Congress Association, Kolkata. About the seminars, conferences and workshops attended by our teachers, this is the number of seminars, conferences and workshops attended by our faculty in this particular tenure and the orientation, refresher and short-term courses. Workshops attended by our faculty in this particular tenure and orientation, refresher and short-term courses during their lifetime. Student strength, this table shows the number of students in our department. May I skip this? Result. So, we are very proud here to mention that our university results are always more than 85% in our subject. And about the university toppers in botany subject, so we are again proud to mention here that 4 students of our department, they have topped in the merit list of botany students. They have secured highest marks in botany and they have secured the Dr. D.L. Reddy Gold Medal awarded by university during 2009 and successive 3 years, 2018, 19 and 20, and 2 students of our department, they have occupied position in the university merit list, ranked 3rd. About the teaching, learning and evaluation methods, apart from the blackboard teaching, we use the ICT method for teaching. During COVID-19, we have used the online teaching app, Microsoft Teams app. Then we use smart boards, PPT, YouTube videos, etc. And we have made notes available to the students on EDSCL. About the evaluation methods, external evaluation is carried out by university model. Internal evaluation, it includes collection of assignments from students and their regular presence in the classrooms. Then their seminars, their tests, they are regularly conducted and internal examination is taken like this. Apart from teaching, we have some co-curricular activities for students which include student seminars. They are regularly conducted as just I have told. Students are given topics, they talk on the particular topic and they discuss their topic and they answer any query raised by teachers or students. Then the second is skill development workshops. So we have during last 2 years, we have skill enhancement course. The university has added skill enhancement course for BSc students. second year and third year. For those, we conduct skill enhancement workshops in different subjects. That may be mushroom production technology, that may be floriculture for the students. In that, the experts are invited and students interact with them. Guest lectures. In addition to these workshops, we arrange guest lectures. For example, guest lectures on medicinal plants. We invite here the experts like Ayurvedic doctors. They explain the role of medicinal plants in our daily life, their use of medicinal plants, like that. Then the study tours. This is also our regular practice. We organize study tour to nearby area for the collection purpose. The students, when they go to natural habitat, they know the flowering pattern, fruiting pattern, the habit of the plant, the leaf pattern, etc. And they collect some specimens. They may be algal specimens, bryophytes, angiospermic plants. And we come to laboratory and they identify these specimens in the laboratory. Industrial visit. As there is a skill enhancement course on mushroom cultivation, we organize industrial visit to Adi Agro Products. Here the students, they get knowledge about how to produce mushroom, how to grow mushrooms in lab conditions. About the extracurricular activities, we conduct different extracurricular activities. Among that, first is 3 days entrepreneurship awareness camp. This is the very regular activity we organize for our girl students particularly. 75 girl students are admitted to this awareness camp of 3 days, and in this camp is organized under the MOU MCED Latur, and in this camp 75 students, particularly girls, are enrolled and they are given knowledge of different aspects of entrepreneurship. Energy awareness and management workshops. We have MOU, the college has MOU with Kedar Kamitkar and Associates, who is the PCRA faculty of Petroleum Ministry, Government of India. So regularly, Department of Botany organizes seminars and workshops on energy management, energy conservation for the students, not only for students, for teaching as well as non-teaching staff of our college. Science Academy's 15 days refresher course in collaboration with the Indian Academy of Sciences. During the period of 2019, we have organized a 15 days refresher course in botany. You may see the pictures, sir. This is Professor Yadav, sir, from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, who inaugurated this workshop, and who was the director of this course.
How it could be possible during the COVID period?
Yes, sir.
How it could be possible during the COVID period?
Pardon, sir?
COVID period कैसे आपने ऐड कर लिया?
No, before that, 2019, June 2019. 26 teachers from different localities of the country, they attended the program of refresher course. Then about the workshops, seminars on IPR. So this activity is a very regular activity. As we know the importance of intellectual property rights, we regularly organize workshops and seminars on intellectual property rights, in which we invite the experts and they interact with not only students but also teachers and non-teaching staff of our college. Handmade poster presentation was the activity which was organized on occasion of the Energy Conservation Week. The 22 students participated and 3 best posters were awarded with cash prize by the college. Soil testing camp. This is also very important. We can say the extension activity. We regularly organize soil testing camps in collaboration with the NSS unit of the college. Wherever the NSS camp is there, we organize such camp. we have MOU with Aditya Soil and Water Testing Laboratory. So in their collaboration, we organize such camps. We collect the samples collected by farmers are analyzed and the reports are given to the farmers, and they are guided about the deficiencies in soil and what measures they should take for the improvement of the crop yields. These are the different MOUs under which we work. Actually, these MOUs are with the college, but we work under these MOUs. MCD, Lapur, Kedar Pavitra and Associates, PCR faculty, Ministry of Central Ministry, Central Government, Government of India, and Aditya Soil and Water Testing Laboratory. And we have conducted various activities under these different collaborations. Indian Academy of Sciences, Mahatma Vasudha Mahavidyalaya Lapur, Kailaswasti Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devni, Late Venkatarav Deshmukh Junior College Lapur, Babangaon, College of Agriculture Lapur, Kumaraswamy Mahavidyalaya Ausa, and BB Ayurveda College Lapur.
In collaboration with Indian Academy of Sciences, Bangalore, what exactly the activity has been conducted?
Refresher course. 15-day refresher course. It was conducted
2019.
Yes. These are the activities under MOU. As just I have told you, sir, we work under 3 MOUs with Maharashtra Center for Entrepreneurship Development. We have conducted 3 camps in this particular table for only girl students of our college. The number of beneficiaries is 75 girls. Then with Kedar Pavitra and Associates, we have organized a different energy management workshops for students, teaching and non-teaching staff of our college. How such activities are conducted in this particular tenure? This is the period of COVID. There was no COVID. So this
31st December 2019 to 2nd January 2000. That was conducted
Online
awareness camp, including 75 candidates.
Yes. Only girls.
Only girls. But this is the peak period of COVID. How could you arrange the awareness camp?
Pardon, sir?
This is the peak period of COVID-19. How could you arrange this time?
I have to check
Including 75 candidates.
That is the January, and the COVID started in March.
The spike was in March, sir.
This has come in the December 2019.
No, sir.
Actual lockdown
During the March and April.
No, sir. In March.
Started in the month of March 2020.
But they have advertised
In January,
3 months before.
first
3 months.
January.
31st December to 2 January, sir. The spike was in the month of March, sir. In March, sir.
Before peak of the COVID.
May I proceed? Okay. With Aditya Soil and Water Testing Laboratory, we have conducted 3 soil and water testing camps. In these camps, the soil samples were brought by the farmers.
Please sum up. We are already at short time.
Some of
Please sum up.
Can we conclude?
Okay.
Because we have another department.
Okay, sir. Okay. These are the collaboration activities, refresher course, guest lectures, workshops on tea enhancement course, floriculture, mushroom production technology, the workshops on IPR, guest lecture on medicinal plants, webinar on IPR. We have a botanical garden having different plants. They include some angiospermic plants and some gymnospermic plants which are required for practical purpose. Best practices of our department include entrepreneurship awareness camps for girl students, soil testing camps for farmers, skill enhancement workshops for our students, seminars on IPR for staff as well as students, and seminars on energy conservation and management for
Just for information, what you have analyzed for soil? What you have analyzed for soil?
we analyze micro as well as macronutrients,
Okay.
soil nutrients, NPK, then calcium, magnesium, ferrous, micronutrients are also analyzed, and whatever their deficiencies are there, the reports are given to them.
You have analyzed quantitatively or qualitatively?
Quantitative.
Quantitatively. You have instruments for analysis of nitrogen?
No, we have collaboration, sir, with some soil testing laboratories.
They have.
They have, sir.
Can you tell me the instruments? Name of instruments?
No, sir. We work in collaboration.
Soil testing kit. We have soil testing kit in our lab.
Testing kit will give you the idea of the presence or absence.
But in collaboration,
Then
we have
the quantity of particular micronutrients in soil.
to determine, it should be analyzed, and after analysis we have to determine, we have to calculate how much quantity is present in the particular soil.
It gives the idea of quantity.
Quantity.
Soil testing kit.
In our laboratory we have 3 soil testing kits.
NPK can be analyzed. We organize seminars on IPR, then seminars on energy conservation and management for staff and students. These are some prominent alumni. Most of them are teachers, senior college teachers. These are we can see the achievements. We have a good, highly qualified, experienced staff. Teachers are actively involved in research. Well-equipped laboratories, which are provided with all equipment, all the facilities needed for the practical purpose. We have a collection of some rare specimens, fossil specimens. We have a departmental library. Then a good record of result in the university examination. The students occupy top positions in merit list of the university. Organization of study tours, industrial visits, seminars, conferences, workshops, soil testing camps, etc. Now about the future plans. In future, we are planning to establish research center in our department. Yes, PG has been recently introduced to undertake some projects, to organize some skill workshops, some more workshops, to organize some more conferences and seminars. These are some glimpses of the activities we conduct.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The best method of teaching. Like you're all happy online, right? In the institution today condition that maybe you stay back in the house itself, they'll continue the online teaching. Will you say okay for it? Can the science be taught through online very effectively? Assume that one more year is extended through lockdown. What kind of remedial measures you are expecting from the institute? Cambridge.
By offline methods, sir, we are not only educationally educated, but by offline methods, if the college is conducted offline, not online. Online is other.
Which faucets are found in this?
By default, any diamond is there.
Is a will purchaser.
Any diamond? No, sir. No.